Monoprice power cord. This is a 3-conductor, grounded AC power cord designed for use with switched-mode power supplies with the IEC 60320C6 connector. It features a standard 3-prong NEMA 5 to 15P plug at one end and an IEC 60320C5 plug, also known as a cloverleaf plug due to its shape, at the other end. This fully molded power cord connects your laptop power supply to a wall outlet. This 18A Reuben Florens cable is designed to carry up to a 10A, 1250W, 125V load. Wall plug type: NEMA 5 to 15P. Equipment plug type: IEC 60320C5. Jacket material: SVT. Hash of conductors 3. Wire gauge 18A Reuben Florens. Maximum current 10 amps. Top reviews from the United States. Inexpensive and it works. This is inexpensive, and it works. The build quality seems good, too. These things are pretty difficult to screw up, and Monoprice has not screwed anything up here. Can't ask for anything more from a power cord.